CDC recently released new guidelines for events like concerts and rallies, saying the highest risk comes with large in-person gatherings where it may be difficult for people to stay 6 feet apart. Still, one Lake County city is moving ahead with plans for an event that is expected to draw thousands of people in less than 2 weeks. News 5's Olivia Fecto explains how organizers are planning to keep everybody safe.
The concerts will take place here at the Menor Civic Amphitheater. The Parks and Recreation Director tells me there will be a strict limit of 4,000 people allowed in, and those who feel sick should not attend.
Parks and Recreation Director Ken Kaminsky says social distancing will be a priority at the amphitheater, among other protocols.
There are going to be hand sanitized stations. We're going to recommend them wearing a mask.
There will be only lawn seating, and the amphitheater will establish one-way entrances and exits to reduce contact between people.
We are actually going to have sidewalks, really wide painted sidewalks on the grounds, so that people don't have to veer around everybody to get to point A to point B.
The CDC characterizes medium and large in-person gatherings as higher and highest risk, but the city says the Lake County General Health District approved its protocols for this concert series based on state guidelines, although there have been no specific guidelines for outdoor concerts like these.
It was really a lack of guidance. We took all the best pieces of other interventions and guidance by sector and put that together to make a plan that we felt was feasible for Lake County, given the numbers we have as far as cases and deaths.
On Tuesday, Governor Mike DeWine answered questions about events at the Pro Football Hall of Fame later this summer that could involve 20,000 fans, saying events with big crowds would likely be the last to resume.
Having a crowd that size, I think, is highly unlikely. Certainly, it could not occur today. It would be very dangerous to do it today.
Rob Shulin supports the idea of having concerts as long as there are proper precautions.
If people come out, they're well aware of the risks. We all know there's risk in life, and if you come out to a public forum such as this, you are really putting yourself at risk, but take precautions.
But not everyone is sure it's a great idea.
I don't know. Personally, I have elderly parents. I've been very much exercising an abundance of caution. Nobody knows.
If you don't feel safe, please do not come out. There's other events we can make sure you get to.
The city of Menor also announced today it is canceling its 4th of July concert and fireworks. The Parks and Recreation Director tells me, unlike the concert series, the city doesn't think it can manage the crowd size or social distancing at fireworks. In Menor, Olivia Fecto, News 5.